I'm Chef Jon Ashton, and I'm just about to win the 2019 Cheese Curd Championship in Ellsworth, Wisconsin. This is what America eats. If you've ever wondered where you can find 8,000 pounds of cheese curds, look no further than Ellsworth, Wisconsin, where every June the town celebrates its designation as the cheese curd capital of the state, a moniker earned after many decades of preparing and frying delicious little balls of cheese. As we all know, the Midwest is known for its cheese, so it's a pretty high honour for Ellsworth to be considered the capital of cheese curds, an honour that is deeply understood by the organiser of the festival, Becky Bicel. We checked in with Becky before digging into the festivities. We're in Ellsworth, Wisconsin. This is the Cheese Curd Festival.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
So this is its 18th year, and it started out as a community festival. The attendance has gone from 5,000 to last year we had 30,000.
Why do people love cheese curds?
They love the squeak when you eat it. They love the convenience of it. They love the taste of it. And especially here, what they love is that there's so many different ways to get it. We have 20 food vendors. So we expanded the footprint this year. It's a lot bigger and the crowds are coming out and having a great time.
How many pounds of cheese curds would you go through this weekend?
Last year, in the day and a half festival, we went through 8,000 pounds.
8,000 times that? It's a lot of milk.
A lot of
A
milk,
lot of milk.
yes.
There's a lot of happy cows here,
Yes,
isn't it, in Wisconsin?
exactly.
Now tell me, do you have a contest quiz? I love cheese.
We have a cheese curd eating contest.
Oh.
You need to do it.
I'm not even going to do it. I'm going to be on the billboards, Mr. Cheese. I love it. Sounds good.
Yes.
As I prepare myself to compete in the contest to earn the self-proclaimed title of Mr. Cheese, I might as well familiarise myself with the curding process. Paul Bauer, creamery manager and CEO, was kind enough to explain how these delicious little golden brown nuggets come into existence.
We bring in milk from the farm, run it through a pasteurizer, send that forward to our cheese vats, and in that process, we use our own starter. So then we add a little bit of rennet and we start coagulating that. Cut it into small chunks. We pump it onto the giant belt and it holds about 16,000 pounds of cheese. And from there, flip it over because the active cheddaring is to expel the whey or the liquid by the weight of the cheese.
So you're taking all the water away?
Yes.
No way.
Yeah, good pun.
Sorry, I haven't waited all day to bring that in. Sorry about that. When I start having a bit of fun, I get a little cheesy. Lucky for me, Paul didn't immediately kick me out for that joke. He let me try a fresh cheese curd. It's the saltiness and that texture, just a chew in there, that squeak on the tooth. It's addictive, isn't it?
Very fresh.
That's the freshest piece of cheese. As good as it was off the factory floor, Paul and the company's product makes its way across the festival in all kinds of delicious ways. It was amazing to see how creative this community can be by incorporating these curds. How does donuts get along with cheese curds?
So we have a donut with maple glaze, which has maple syrup in it, and then we put cheese curds and bacon on top.
This is your business?
This is my business, yep. I started it my sophomore year of high school, kind of to pay for college and make money, and so I didn't have to work at a grocery store and stuff, just kind of grown steadily each year.
This is the American dream. So this little fella, what's this one?
That's the breakfast donut.
Here we go. Oh boy, that's just absolutely delicious.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
That
it.
is a great donut. And I love the cheese curds on it.
Yeah.
It's a winning dish.
Thank you
I'm
so
proud
much.
of you.
I appreciate
Congratulations,
it.
mate.
Thank you.
For 3 years, you've been voted the festival's most popular dish. You're saying you've taken a jalapeno, taken out the seeds, taken out the ribs so it's not too spicy.
Stuffed with Ellsworth cheese curds, chorizo sausage, wrapped in bacon with Croy Valley barbecue sauce. It's a blueberry-based barbecue sauce. They smoke for about 45 minutes on the big green eggs with applewood chunks.
I can see why people love this. And it's juicy, it's dripping all down my hands. What is this dish?
So this is our homemade deep fried apple pie. Crust and filling all made from scratch. Mom still rolls the dough by hand. Fresh apples, cheese curd crumbles from the Ellsworth creamery, and then we make a homemade apple syrup sprinkled on top.
There's a fair old bit of weight in there.
But you know, the nice thing is, if you eat it here on the grounds, 0 calories. Zero.
You're the man.
So you're good.
Zero
You're good.
I got no worries. Seriously.
You like it?
It reminds me of childhood. This hits all the notes.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I wasn't the only one singing the praises of these curds. What do you love about cheese curds?
The cheese part. Yeah, the cheese, they taste good.
Brie, do you like cheese curds?
I do, I love them. I like mine squeaky, not fried.
Tony, let me just ask for the viewer. Do you like cheese curds?
I love cheese curds. I love them. The different flavors, there's always a variety. The deep fried. I love deep fried cheese curds.
You come over like a ninja. Oh, you want it all. Nathan, would it be okay if I try a bit of your poutine?
Sure.
Let's see. You ready? No? Do you like cheese curds?
Yes, I like that they're the squeaky ones when they're freshly made.
Help yourself, Nathan, please. Don't be shy. Double dip. As much as I wanted to keep chatting and eating cheese curds with these lovely people, I had to save some room because it was about time for the cheese curds eating contest.
Technical malfunction. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, keep going. All right, keep that up. I think John's disqualified. He lost the curd on the ground.
No! I'm still chewing my first mouthful. It's well done. Fantastic. Wow. I actually thought I stood a chance.
You do stand a chance. You just come to the dojo, I'll train you up proper.
Though I didn't win, I certainly made a friend in the winner. It's obvious this festival is about much more than bite-sized blocks of cheese. It's about a community coming together to support one another. This is a lovely community that uses their collective love for cheese to put on an event that allows patrons to enjoy a leisurely weekend. And at the end of the day, I don't think I could ask for more. Well, that's all from the Cheese Curd Festival here in Wisconsin. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton, and this is What America Eats. Say goodbye, everybody!